Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Philadelphia, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we are talking about deck railings, how to choose the right system for safety, views, and long-term maintenance. Railings may seem like a finishing detail, but they are one of the most important parts of the deck. They protect people from falls, guide traffic on stairs, and shape how open or enclosed the space feels. The first thing to understand is that railing safety starts with the structure beneath it. A railing only works when the posts are firmly connected to the deck frame. A post that is attached only through the deck boards or with a few screws may look fine at first, but can loosen over time. Proper post connections, blocking, and hardware help make sure the railing stays firm when someone leans against it. Next is railing height and spacing. The height needs to meet applicable safety requirements, especially on elevated decks. The openings between balusters or other infill must be small enough to protect children and pets. These details are not just about meeting a rule. They help make the deck safer for everyone who uses it. Wood railings are common and can match a traditional wood deck. They are flexible in design and can be painted or stained. However, they need regular inspection and maintenance. The top rail, pickets, and post areas can all take on water over time, leading to cracks, movement, or rot if they are not cared for properly. Metal railings are a popular choice for homeowners who want a slimmer profile and less maintenance. They can preserve views better than bulky wood pickets and pair well with both wood and composite decking. Cable and glass-style rail systems can also open up a view, but they need careful installation and regular attention to keep connections secure and clean. Think about how you use the deck when you select a railing. If you have a view of the yard, a garden, or the city, you may want a more open railing design. If you need privacy from neighbors, a more solid system or a privacy screen may be a better fit. If you have children, pets, or regular guests, strength and safe spacing should lead the decision. Stair railings deserve the same level of attention. Outdoor stairs should include a graspable handrail where needed, and it should be positioned so people can comfortably use it. Stairs also benefit from lighting, especially where the deck is used at night. Railings and handrails should guide people naturally from the deck to the yard without creating tight turns or blocked paths. Materials can be coordinated for a cleaner look and easier maintenance. Many homeowners pair composite decking such as Trex with low-maintenance railing systems because both hold up well under regular weather exposure. The right combination can reduce ongoing upkeep while keeping the deck strong and safe. When reviewing a deck quote, ask how the posts will be attached, what railing height is planned, and what hardware is included. You should also ask how the stair handrails will work and whether the layout allows enough room for furniture and clear walkways. These details make a major difference in how comfortable and safe the deck feels once it is finished. If you are planning new railings or replacing an older system, you can reach our team at 215-607-2242 or visit toughdeckbuildersphiladelphia.com to learn more about our deck and railing services. Tough Deck Builders Philadelphia can help you choose railings that protect your family, fit your view, and support the long-term condition of your deck. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Philadelphia.